Nestled in the northwest of Ibadan, Oyo State, at an altitude of 125 meters above sea level, lies Eleyele Lake, arguably the finest water body in Oyo State, Nigeria. This isn't a natural lake. It was man-made in 1939 and officially completed in 1942 by damming the Ono River and nearby streams like the Alakpo and the Emoja River. Built during colonial times, it was designed to provide raw water for the Ibadan city waterworks and remains a key part of the metropolitan water supply. Beyond supplying water, Eleyele Lake plays pivotal roles for local communities. As a tourist hotspot, its calm waters, lush banks, and bird life attract nature lovers and tourists who want to engage in various water activities like kayaking and boat rides. It is one of the must-see destinations if you do find yourself in the city of Ibadan. As a means of transportation, communities still use boats and canoes to shuttle people between neighborhoods for a budget-friendly price. For fishing, the lake supports commercial and subsistence fishing, producing species like crabs, tilapia, catfish, and mudfish, and sustaining local livelihoods. The natural beauty and calm atmosphere of the lake also makes it popular for film shoots, drone footages, and creative projects. Scientists also make use of the Eleyele Lake to study aquatic plants, fish communities, water quality, and ecosystem health. It is like a living laboratory on Ibadan's edge. Why Eleyele Lake matters? Eleyele Lake is one of the best water bodies in Oyo State, offering ecological, recreational, and economic value. The lake's wetland also supports biodiversity, including birds, insects, and fish. It provides a green refuge from urban sprawl, preserving natural habitats in a fast-growing city. And lastly, despite pollutions and development pressures, communities are increasingly recognizing its importance for conservation, research, and sustainable tourism. In summary, Eleyele Lake is more than water and waves. It is a cornerstone of Ibadan's ecosystem and community life. From its colonial origins to its everyday roles as a water source, transportation route, fishing ground, film sets, and research sites, Eleyele Lake stands as a testament to nature's capacity to sustain us, if we let it.